Power can be transmitted with the aid of fluids and gases. An air pump is used to fill a ball with air. Here, pumping movements serve to draw air from the outside into the pump and force it through a tube into the football. The air cannot escape from the ball because a safety valve stops it. Hydraulic power is harnessed to raise a vehicle with a hydraulic lift. A steering piston, which forces oil through a pipe into the lifting cylinder, is mechanically driven by a gear train and thus causes the hydraulic lift to rise.